Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Etsy product title and tags. So let's get started with the video. So basically what details you will need is the product type. What is your product type? For example, I'm taking it here, handmade beaded bracelet. What is the material used? Who is it for? Is it a gift for a girl? The boho style? What is the color, size, occasion? So we need to give a basic prompt including these details to ChatGPT. So once you open the ChatGPT, you need to write the prompt as I've written here. I sell handmade beaded bracelet. They are made with turquoise stones and silver. Spacers perfect for boho style fashion lovers or as a gift for her. Can you generate optimize Etsy product title and tags? So you can give this prompt to ChatGPT. It will start generating the titles and tags that you can add in your Etsy product details. So as you can see, it has given many titles. You can choose among these. Also, it has given the tags over here. You can choose this. If you want some more tags or some more titles, you can give. You can write. Could you please help with more tags? And just give it. So the AI will basically give you as many tags as you want until it fulfill your requirements. So this is how you can generate the tags and title for Etsy using AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.